Not millet. Stop biting me. Ow, stop it. There's one piece left. Eat it. There's one piece left. There. No, you didn't get it. Oh, great. Come on, there's one left. Eat it. How about you? Did you get it? Okay, I think she got it. Okay. Usually she loves these. It's a pecan. Maybe if I don't... She took it right away. Are you camera shy? Now, the budgies have never had a nut. I mean, well, they have. I fed them a walnut today for the first time. She just dropped it. Pecans are expensive, little bird. They only like the tiny parts, because otherwise they can't eat it all. You want it? There you go. You dropped it. Oh my gosh. They usually like them. Last time they ate it. Come on. Get in my hand. Good. Yes. I'm not millet. Why are you so crazy? You like nuts. Good. This is the first time having a pecan. Wanna come up? Snowball is mean to strike sometimes. And Snowball always wants to be Athena's friend, but Athena hates them. She's gonna pick another nut out of there. Ow. They like nibbling on it. On me. If I smell like millet, I millet. Stop it. That hurts. Really wants that nut. Stop nibbling on me. Thank you. Do you want some? There, now you could get some. Okay. I'm gonna make it like tinier. There, you have a piece. They don't use their feet like bigger birds. Like Athena uses her feet. Really? She dropped it. Oh, you're so cute. Step on. Okay. She likes taking baths. And Snowball likes getting squirted with... Just kidding. And they like to chew on the paper. That's all them. Hello. They love chewing the paper. I put millet in there, but you can't see it. Well, you can a little. And they're not the brightest. And Athena was playing with it, but she didn't see it. Oh, you're so fluffy. Step up. Good girl. She likes to go on necks. That was an awkward position. This is the budgies stand I made them. They used to like it, but now... Oh, okay, you didn't see that. It's like we put a bunch of sticks together and then put Chinese finger traps and then one of those. They used to like it and stay on it, but now since they learned how to fly, they never go on it. And this is Athena's. We didn't make it. She likes to play with straws. And that's their hiding place they love. Sometimes they'll go up there. And on the mitten, I have a video of them on the mitten. And today I came in and they were sitting on the chair. They always find new places. But they don't listen when they're up there. They don't like to listen up there. They're just like, I'm out of your way. You can't tell me what to do. Did you eat all the nuts? No, you didn't. Okay, this is not acceptable, bird. Stop doing that. They have a donut up there that they play with sometimes. Try to me. Stop it. Come on. Good. You stiff up. Good bird. Let me get you more millet. They're on a Rowdy Bush diet, so millet's a rare treat, and they love it. Okay, now come over here. Come on. Sometimes they'll fly when I'm over here to my hand, but not now, I guess. They're pretty much out all day. Come on, come back. I have millet left. No, I don't. You ate it all. Never mind. You want to be stretched? Sometimes she does. Sometimes she'll bite you. She's a really good bird, usually. Nope. Eh. Okay. Thank you for watching. This was Gaming with Cy. They say goodbye. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe, comment, please. Anything.